Alright, so we got a flat tire here, or it's actually getting low. We can hear it hissing out. We hit a nail yesterday, and now we got to fix it. So we got tire jack. We're gonna try it out, see how it works. So you got to take off the valve stem. Don't let this thing fly away. You got to let all the air out of the tire, and be careful not to let the little centerpiece of the valve go flying out. So once you lose that, you ain't finding it back. So yeah, you don't want to lose that piece. You gotta let all the air out of the tire so you can put this stuff in. So screw the little syringe that they provide you on. Screw it on. Take the little pusher rod injector out. It says 2 tires. Alright, so these are little 20-ounce packets. And it says it will do 2 tires, so you want to use 10 ounces. And since this is we've already used this in another tire, we're just going to dump the rest of it in. So just fill this up. A little bit at a time. Push it in. Let it flow itself on in there. And if you're August, you always spill while trying to dump stuff in. And don't worry though, because it's water cleanup, so this stuff will wash off with water. Doesn't rot your rims either. So we're just going to push the last little bit in here. And we're just going to unscrew this. Let the rest of the air out. You take your little valve stem here, hook it on, and they send you this little piece to take it off. Screw it back in. Now go ahead and fill the tire up, and then once the tire's fit up, drive around. First we're going to look and make sure there still isn't a nail in it, but if there is, we'll pull the nail out and then we'll just drive it around for a few minutes. Let that tire jack work its way in there and seal it up. So, just fill your tire up. Make sure she's at the right pounds, which we're not even close, so we'll keep filling her up.